Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix the yellow border around your screen in Windows 11 in 2025. This yellow border usually appears due to a feature or setting being enabled, and I will guide you through several ways to remove it step by step. Let's get started. So first, check for screen recording or capturing tools. So first, a yellow border often appears when a screen recording or capturing tools is running. So check if you have apps like snipping tools, Xbox, Games Bar, OBS, or other screen recorder active. Close them completely or stop the recording to see if the border disappears. Then disable high contrast or accessibility features. Sometimes a yellow border comes from high contrast or accessibility settings. So press Win plus I and to open the settings options and go to accessibility. Here you can see this, the scroll down and here access, accessibility, and to select the contrast themes. Here you can see this, the contrast themes, and to click the contrast themes, if a theme is active, set it to none to or choose a normal theme. Then the next step is check focus assist or focus mode. So Windows 11 occasionally use border to highlight focus areas. So open the settings options and go to systems, and here you can see this, the focus options, focus assist. Then turn it off if it's on, and restart your PC to confirm the change. Then the next step is graphics drive or night light check. Right click your desktop and choose display settings. Turn off night light as it can sometimes causes unusual tints, and update your graphics drive. Then the next step is restart, explore, or reboot PC. If none of the above work, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open a task manager and to find Windows Explorer. Here you can see this, the Windows Explorer, and to right click it and select Restart. If the border persists, restart your computer. Then check third-party apps. Sometimes some antivirus or overlay apps like skin annotation or HDR tools can also create this border. Disable or uninstall any recently installed tools to test. And that's it. Your yellow border should now be gone from Windows 11. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide worked for you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.